Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create account on Kapwing. If you want to create videos, memes, or edits quickly without downloading heavy software, Kapwing is a great tool. It works directly in your browser and it is free and friendly. In just a couple of minutes, you can set up your account and start editing. First, open any of the browser, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down kapwing.com and enter it. And over here what you can do is you can click onto the sign in the top right. Over here you'll see a different plans. You can continue with Google, Apple, Microsoft, or Facebook, or you can also enter your email. As I'm going to type down my email address and click onto this click email. And over here you'll get a verification code. Simply open a new tab and type down gmail.com. And over here you can find your Kapwing sign-in code here, and simply copy the code and go back to this Kapwing here and paste this code and click onto this continue with login code. And over here you will successfully make an account into this Kapwing account, and that is it. Your account has been created and you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can start a new project, upload videos or images, and use the templates and tool as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.